Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. I've guided you guys on how to start mining on this platform, how to connect your wallet, how to claim the faucets using this platform, as well how to swap your token and have a liquidity pool, other many things we've explained on this platform. But there's one thing that was not on that video. That is what I want to share in this video, guys. How to access your points on this platform. You come to this place and claim your points every day, but all you see is your progress, level 1, level 3, and the rest. But you do not have access to your points. That is what this video is all about. Meanwhile, if you have not joined this platform, you can still join it now. The link to the video that will guide you on how to join this platform is in the video description, as well in our Telegram channel. So pause this particular video, go and watch that video. Now that I've done that, you are to check your point. Checking your point is very simple. First, open your MetaMask, copy the MetaMask wallet address here. Now go to your Discord, go to the Pharos Discord channel, then scroll down all the way from top. Scroll down all the way from top to this place where you see Testnet feedback. You click on the Testnet feedback. When you click on the Testnet feedback, then come down to this base. Now in the message, tab this /Testnet info. This will come up. Click on it. Now provide the same wallet address into this place, then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, just wait for the information to come up. Now you have access to everything you've done on this platform. You can see that the Pharos Testnet statistics wallet address will display here. Then here you have level 1 to level 2. You have this, I have this 171 points to get to level 3. Then I've swiped 4 times, liquidity 4 times, then social tax 7. Then you have other information here. So this is how to check your points on this mining platform. If you have not started mining, guys, you can do that right away. So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates on this channel. See you soon, guys, on our next video.